Invent for the Planet is a 48-hour international design challenge where students from across the globe work in teams to solve some of the world's most pressing problems.
Swansea is the only university in the UK invited to participate in Invent for the Planet, and it's a really unique event because it brings together students from across the Faculty of Science and Engineering.
My name is Molly and I study geography.
I'm a first year mechanical engineering student.
I'm studying electrical and electronics engineering.
Studying civil engineering.
My study would be chemical engineering.
I study mechanical engineering.
Now I'm a second year maths student.
And I'm doing my software engineering degree here in Swansea University.
I am an electromechanical engineer on exchange here from Texas A&M.
I applied for Invent for the Planet because it's an amazing opportunity to get involved in some really cool projects and meet some amazing people while you're doing them.
I'm passionate about solving problems for people around the world who necessarily can't solve them themselves.
Improve my CV, develop some skills, and meet some people.
Honestly, I thought it'd be challenging, and it is challenging. It's pushing my ingenuity, to be honest, and it's giving me passion.
In 2015, the UN set 17 ambitious goals to help achieve a sustainable and poverty-free world. Zero hunger, clean water and sanitation. These are the issues that must be addressed in order to create a more sustainable future. But where do we start? The majority of people live within walking distance to water, and yet 2.2 billion lack access to clean water. But what if there was a way to clean this contaminated water?
The devastating power of the earth seen from the air. Swathes of this city lie in ruins. Buildings, homes, lives have been destroyed.
Extreme weather.
And that's a very stark reminder that it is our activities which are changing the climate and affecting these extreme weather events. And as the planet continues to warm, these consequences just get worse.
So far, it's amazing. So far, it's really good. I'm getting to know the people. We're getting, becoming really good friends, and I'm trying to find out, all these different disciplines and all these different aspects that I'm trying to combine.
It's going pretty well. Shocked with how much we've been able to get done so far.
Yeah, it's going good. It's quite challenging. Our project is quite comprehensive. With the team building, I'm learning a lot on the way, and I'm quite enjoying it.
Time management, organizational skills, teamwork skills.
I'm getting to try my hand at video editing, which is a work in progress, but we are getting there.
Developing teamwork, because there's 4 of us, so we all have lots of different ideas, different concepts.
Thank you very much, everyone.